It used to be all about me, but then I got engaged, I graduated, and now it's just not all about Cass. And so, thus, this YouTube channel was born and renamed into Not Just About Cass. So welcome to our vlog channel. Good morning.
Welcome to the channel.
So we have a lot of stuff to do. And he says hi.
Hello.
We have a lot of stuff. We have to go to the grocery store, wash clothes, and what else do we have to do?
Go to work.
Yeah, he has to work. I don't. I'm off. And then I think that's it. Right?
Yeah.
I feel like that's it. I don't know. I have a whole list in the kitchen. So I wanted to show you the food from like my last video and show you what like is left over. I have like nothing in here. And she says good morning too. And I have nothing in here. So that's it. So now we're gonna make a list before we go. So then, or not before we go, but before we make our pickup ready. Wait, tell them good morning. Tell them good morning. No? There's pizza.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna do a
Why are you gonna change?
because I don't like being in pajamas all day. So,
Why are you hitting me?
that's why. Go home.
Whip me with this shirt. Jeans got for 59.
That's exactly what I should get.
Look at those white walls. Those Honda Civic.
What type of car do you think I should get? What is it called?
What?
Or what type of vehicle do you think I should get?
F-150 or F-250. 6
Okay.
liter.
Okay. I need to get the charger.
F-150 is my compromise.
Oh,
To you one car instead of F-250.
It's not a compromise though.
$5,000.
I want a Nissan, what is it, Nissan Rogue? Wait, no, is that a thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, Nissan Rogue.
And I don't.
So he's looking at cars for me, but I really doubt.
No, here, how about a 2011 Honda Odyssey?
Let's see it.
Little minivan. It has a dolphin.
What does a dolphin mean?
Well, that's in the description. I don't know if that's an emoji or something.
If you're in the market for a Honda Odyssey, what is this?
Pretty cool.
Craigslist. It's pretty clean.
Not really. Okay. That's a much better deal, right?
No, no,
91.
no.
Little throttle body injected.
Doubt it.
Oh,
Oh, that
red
is
interior,
disgusting. Oh my gosh, who would want to buy
We
that?
need to try to find one. That 454 SS. Probably like that.
Oh my gosh. Just buy me one of those.
A box truck.
Yeah. Just kidding. We got Panda and I want to see what our fortunes are. I don't know where to set this camera. I guess you can go first. You don't read the fortune first?
Still hungry.
What does yours say? You don't want to read it? There you go, now it's readable. What does it say? I can't read backwards.
You'll soon gain something you've always deserved.
Wow, mine says a wish will be granted after a long delay.
Yeah.
Wow. Great things should be happening for us soon.
What does the third one say? What does Avis say?
This fortune cookie's a little messed up.
Ava, come here.
Ava, come read your fortune cookie. Says, follow the advice of a trusted friend this week. Ava, who's your friends?
No one.
Look. Look at her. Yeah, what's your friends this week? Okay.
What is he doing? Follow
The advice of a trusted friend.
Yeah, like stop tearing up the carpet.
By the way, shout out to the person who gave us $4 off or their employee discount at Panda. It was nicely and appreciated. What are we looking at? A Rangoon. What is it?
I don't know.
What's a
Something
crab
happens at
Rangoon?
Yeah, if anyone's tried those, let us know how they are at Panda Express.
I never knew that they sold them there. So I already edited like 2 videos, I think. And then I'm going to upload both of them today. And I think I have one more to edit. And then I'll be caught up.
Okay, and their straws are too short for the large drink at Panda Express.
Yeah, they might need to work on that. We also figured out that orange chicken is actually made with orange juice. Who knew? Holy F-balls, it's hot in here, and we like just left from lunch. Oh my gosh. In case you didn't know, I'm going to get groceries. Pro tip / eco tip. If you say that you're gonna bring your own grocery bags, you can just put that in the note section, and then they hopefully will not bag it for you. We're gonna hope. But yeah, last time I was in the car though, a bird literally hit me in the arm. It's the weirdest thing. I literally wish I had my camera out to be like, hey, I just got hit with the bird. But oh my gosh, everything is so hot. God bless air conditioning, and God bless my fiance who fixed it, because I would have died. Oh my gosh. I'm sure I have enough bags for everything. I really don't know if I do. We'll just hope for the best, you know? Just hope for the best. Okay. Let's get going. Oh my frick, it's hot. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this guy with the... Did you guys see that? He He was just flying by and I didn't give a shit. It's good stuff. Okay. Hope we have everything. But yeah, okay, so then I'm editing videos, right? I had like 3 videos to edit. Well, technically 2 videos to edit because I already edited one whenever I was at home with my small computer. But my small computer corrupted the footage, so I have to redo everything I did already. Ask me how I feel about that. Ask me how I feel about that. Yeah, that's how I feel. And I also have a bunch of laundry to do and a bunch of other stuff to do today. I'm so excited. So excited. But we're getting a lot of it done, honestly. Oh gosh, sorry guys. But we're getting a lot of it done because one of it's grocery shopping, but people have already done that for me. I'm about to pick it up right now. Another one is laundry. I'm pretty much done with the second load, so I'm just gonna fold all of it all together. Then the dishwasher and dishes I had, and I already have that done. Dinner is pretty much already like made. I've already have all that figured out. Oh my gosh. Cleaning the apartment, I'm thinking I'm gonna do tomorrow. And then to look at cars and stuff like that. Because eventually I do want to get a new car. And so we looked at stuff like that. And yeah, so I mean, we're on target so far. And I made Gabe a cake. It's a, I don't know what kind of cake it is. I think it's like some form of chocolate cake, and oh my gosh, it is so good. Oh, a devil's sweet cake? Something like that. It's like really good. Really good. Highly suggest. And I put chocolate icing on top, like whipped chocolate icing, and then I put pretzels on top of that. Let me tell you, it was delicious. Chocolate covered pretzels on top of that, like it was so good. I hope they had everything. They only said that they subbed one thing, so I think we're doing good for today, honestly. I mean, I had pretty generic stuff, so I'm not that worried about it. And I said subs are okay, even though they send you a text message for every sub that they do, which is kind of stupid. The only thing I don't really like about doing stuff online is that that's my alarm to go get groceries, is that they only have the expensive options online. Like, I prefer to have the cheaper option because I'm trying to save money at the grocery store. Like, that's just generally how I roll. Watch out, guys. That's just generally how I roll, so I don't know. We will see. I'm about to pull up, so I'm gonna turn y'all off. Okay? Okay. We're done. We have groceries. It is a hot day out here. In Texas, they kind of suck today because it's hot. But it's honestly really pretty. It's just like steamy, you know? I'm so glad we're over it. Ready. Batter is like liquid. I'm gonna try to follow this one like similarly. See how it goes. Oh, rings. How did you make the, was it tartar sauce? You did it differently, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
What'd you make? What'd you put in
Some
it?
mayonnaise, onion, pickle, and some diced jalapeno.
It's delicious. Like, it's delicious.
Oh, yeah, and then like season it with pepper.
Oh, yeah. Can't forget the
Or
pepper.
whatever you got.
Yeah. It's good. You should try it. And then, this is for his birthday, by the way. Because his birthday was on, what day was that? Thursday?
That was good.
Wednesday, and we weren't able to be together, so we're making his birthday now. And so now we have his dinner going, and then I already gave him his gift, obviously. I already showed you that, but everything else is pretty much like, this is his dinner. And we also made cake last night. What time was that, like 10 o'clock I made that?
Yeah, so
It's good. What was it, double spoon cake? Yeah. With whipped chocolate, icing, and pretzels on top. It was good. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end this vlog, so I will see you in my next one. Bye.
thanks.
Aww.